All right, guys, new project time. My son and I are going to make a miniature rock crawler course in the basement. Just built the framework. We're going 4 feet wide by about 12 plus feet long. So just in the infant stages of this. So stay tuned for updates as we move along.
Love was holding all the cards and always kept me in the dark. I never thought I could shake this heartache until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got no burdens around you. I don't care who knows I love you. 'Cause I've been so lost without you. And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like
All right, guys, phase 1 is coming together pretty well. I got some lines that I got the tunnel. This will be a 2-stage eventually. So the next thing is to let the great stuff dry, and then we will move on to the next step, which is using the plaster of Paris that everybody likes to make things even nicer. Yeah, it's coming along, and stay tuned. All right, guys, it's coming along. It's dried. I've tried it. So made it a little too hard. I know most of my modified crawlers we'll be able to get up it eventually, but not any stock ones. So over here I'm taking out the tunnel, which don't need a tunnel. So this will be all, and I'm going to make something gradual for those less capable RC crawlers, so that they can perform on the track as well. So going to be working on that right now. Phase 1 is complete, almost complete, and then we got phase 2 will be the midsection, phase 3 will be the back section. We'll see how it goes, you know, a work in progress. All this is done. I will be then using cement to make it gray, and also making more grip. This stuff is, paper mache is not grippy at all. But yeah, it came out nice. It will be nice. We're gonna have a river over here, guys, eventually. Not with real water, but a fake. A bridge up here, and then some real cool rock crawler stuff going on. Probably gonna make a rock crawler mud pit with the Premier ammo that I bought, so you can see that. Also been testing it out with these guys to see how well it goes. So stay tuned. All right, the last part of phase or part 1, I'm going to use this mortar mix it up, going to put it all over so that it hardens and gets a little harder for the structure. And I'm going to use the Quikrete, throw it on top to get it a little bit of better traction for it. Just to let you know, guys, I got this idea. Check these guys out on YouTube. They have the largest homemade DIY indoor rock crawler track for minis. They're called Reactive Terrain RC, and I will put them in the description as well. I've been following them for a while. They're great. They have such a great setup. So I'm gonna mix this up and see how it sets. So, all right, so now we're just going to paint this on. I'll show you what it looks like. And we'll just start applying to the mixture as quickly as possible. Needs to be a little thicker. All right, guys, part 1 is complete. Again, I used a mason mix and concrete mix to do this. It's not perfect. It'll look a lot better. Got the bridge that's going to go here. Eventually, this is going to be part 2. Part 3 is going to be in the corner. But again, not bad. You know, I still got to finish some stuff up, but fine tune it and fill it in. But again, for now, end of part 1 of this video of the build. But stay tuned and thanks for watching. And again, hit that like and subscribe button.